Happy week 6 students, and welcome to my living room. I'm filming from the living room because this week is special. This week you are shifting from just thinking about your primary source independently to becoming part of a larger scholarly conversation. So in this video we're going to be talking about the annotated bibliography, which will help you compile secondary sources to better understand your primary source. And we'll be talking about some strategies that you can use for evaluating those sources and finding them. So let's get started. Kenneth Burke is an American literary theorist, and he gives us the idea of the Burkean parlor. Now, you read about this a little bit in your reading, but I'm going to spin it out a bit more. Kenneth Burke compares scholarly writing to going to a party. When you go to a party, especially a party where you don't know a whole lot of people, what happens if you just walk up to a group of people and start talking without listening to what they're saying? Chances are you're going to seem rude, you're going to sound like a doofus or a jerk, you're just going to come off as really socially awkward because that's not how we have conversations. Conversations involve both talking and listening. So think about your contributions to a conversation as being your primary source analysis. But you are joining a conversation that has already been ongoing. It's been going on for hundreds of years, and it will continue to go on after you've left the party. The other voices in the conversation are these research sources that you find, books and articles that discuss themes that you might be seeing in your commercial. So instead of walking into the conversation circle and just beginning to talk, listen to what other people are saying, and then find a way to connect your ideas to the already ongoing conversation. There are several resources for you to help you evaluate sources. The Purdue OWL offers really great advice, as does your book, but I'm going to offer you my own advice. As you evaluate sources, think first about who the author is and who sponsors it. And by sponsor, I mean, where is the piece published? Is it in a scholarly article? Is it on a website? And think about the credentials of the author. Does this person have authority to speak on what they're speaking on? If there is no author listed, chances are the article is less credible. It's fine to use websites as long as they are websites that are credible sources. Also think about what the websites what their motivation is for publishing the article. Do they have something to gain from posting something that's a bit biased? And if it seems like they do, maybe don't use that source. It's fine also to use various video sources. I am okay with you using internet sources, but I strongly encourage you to include scholarly sources from the library database as well. If you have trouble finding sources, you can talk to me. You can also talk to one of the librarians. There is a wonderful chat function on the OSU Library website that makes it really easy for you to get in touch with a librarian to find what you're looking for. And it is their job and their training to help you. So please do take advantage of that resource. In addition to the annotated bibliography due this week, you also have another process post 3. Remember, the symposium project is a project designed for a public audience. You're going to take a slice of your research project and you're going to present it to a public audience. So this process post will help you think more about how you might take a piece of that and create a public-facing presentation. As always, chat on the discussion boards, email me, let me know what questions come up, and I look forward to seeing you on the forums.